frightening, life feels very frightening. And I live with so much that I longer don't know why even. So violent, mama, every thought I have I'm dying. But it's like right, I know, might just meet some guy and cry a little. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero hope.
Whining so hard, I think life's all about me. And it's hardly even snow, but I stay inside like it's the ice age. I need you to dry my face, look how I behave, and all the mess that I made. But I did really do my best, breaking down my neck, and it's me to blame.
Yeah, yeah. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero hope.